If you're searching for a game-changing business idea in the agriculture sector, look no further. The agri-equipment industry is booming, and with innovation, demand, and technological advances, there's never been a better time to invest. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 most profitable agri-equipment business ideas that have the potential to make you rich. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or someone passionate about agriculture, these ideas could be your gateway to success. Let's start with a quick overview. The agricultural sector is the backbone of many economies, providing food, raw materials, and employment to millions. However, as farmers strive to increase productivity and efficiency, the demand for modern agricultural equipment is soaring. By tapping into this industry, you can not only contribute to food security, but also build a highly profitable business. Coming in at number 5 is the business of tractor and power tiller dealership. Tractors are at the heart of mechanized farming, used for plowing, tilling, sowing, and transporting goods. Power tillers, on the other hand, are indispensable for small and medium-sized farms, offering an affordable alternative for soil preparation. Starting a dealership for these machines requires initial investment in inventory and building relationships with manufacturers. However, with the growing mechanization of agriculture, demand is steady and often supported by government subsidies. By providing sales, after-sales service, and spare parts, you can build customer loyalty and a recurring revenue stream. To maximize your reach, establish an online presence with SEO-optimized content that targets keywords like tractor dealership near me and best power tiller brands. Engage with local farmers, host demonstration events, and leverage social media to showcase your offerings. With the right strategy, a dealership can yield impressive profits year after year. At number 4, we have the business of drip irrigation systems and accessories. Water scarcity is a pressing concern for farmers worldwide, and efficient irrigation is key to sustainable agriculture. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to plant roots, reducing wastage and boosting crop yields. As climate change intensifies and water becomes scarcer, more farmers are turning to drip irrigation. Starting a business that supplies, installs, and maintains these systems can be lucrative. Offer tailored solutions for different crops, land sizes, and climates. Use content marketing to educate farmers about the benefits of drip irrigation, targeting SEO keywords like drip irrigation installation, cost of drip irrigation system, and best irrigation methods for crops. Partner with agricultural extension services and NGOs to reach a wider audience. By providing reliable products, expert consultation, and ongoing support, you'll not only help farmers save water and money, but also grow your business rapidly. Number 3 on our list is the manufacturing and rental of farm implements and attachments. From rotavators, seed drills, and plows to harvesters and cultivators, farm implements are essential for every stage of crop production. While some farmers buy equipment outright, many prefer renting to reduce costs. This opens up 2 profitable avenues: manufacturing durable, high-quality implements or establishing a rental business. If you have engineering expertise, focus on innovative designs that enhance efficiency and reduce labor. For the rental model, maintain a fleet of implements and offer flexible packages for daily, weekly, or seasonal use. Optimize your website and listings with SEO keywords like farm equipment rental, affordable agricultural implements, and best farm attachments for hire. Use customer testimonials and instructional videos to build trust and demonstrate value. By addressing the needs of both large and small-scale farmers, you can capture a wide market and generate consistent income. At number 2, we highlight the business of greenhouse construction and automation. Greenhouses enable year-round cultivation, protect crops from adverse weather, and increase yields. With rising demand for organic produce, medicinal plants, and high-value crops, greenhouse farming is on the rise. Starting a business that designs and constructs greenhouses can be highly rewarding. Offer modular solutions, climate control systems, and automation services such as irrigation, ventilation, and temperature management. Emphasize your expertise through SEO-rich blog posts and educational resources, using keywords like greenhouse construction company, automated greenhouse systems, and best crops for greenhouse farming. Collaborate with agricultural consultants, nurseries, and food processors to expand your network. By providing turnkey solutions and ongoing maintenance, you'll attract repeat clients and build a reputation for excellence. The potential for high margins and rapid expansion makes greenhouse construction a standout opportunity in the agri-equipment sector. Finally, taking the top spot as the most profitable agri-equipment business idea is the supply and maintenance of agricultural drones and precision farming tools. The digital revolution is transforming agriculture, and drones are at the forefront. Drones are used for crop monitoring, spraying fertilizers and pesticides, mapping fields, and analyzing soil health. Precision farming tools such as GPS-guided tractors and sensors help farmers optimize inputs and maximize yields. Setting up a business that supplies advanced drones, provides training, and offers maintenance services can deliver exceptional returns. Focus on high-demand applications like crop health assessment, yield prediction, and automated spraying. Create SEO-friendly content around keywords like agricultural drones for sale, precision farming equipment, and drone mapping for farms. Offer demonstrations, workshops, and after-sales support to build credibility. By staying ahead of technological trends and partnering with agri-tech companies, you can position your business as a leader in smart farming solutions. The integration of AI, data analytics, and automation ensures that demand will continue to grow, making this the most exciting and profitable opportunity in the sector. So, what do you need to get started? First, research your local agricultural landscape to identify the specific needs of farmers in your region. Understand the regulatory requirements, potential subsidies, and available financing options. Build relationships with manufacturers, distributors, and agricultural experts to source high-quality products and stay updated on industry trends. Develop a robust marketing strategy that leverages digital platforms, search engine optimization, and social media to reach your target audience. Invest in customer service and technical support to build trust and foster long-term relationships. By focusing on innovation, quality, and reliability, you can carve out a niche and establish your brand as a go-to provider of agricultural equipment. In conclusion, the agricultural equipment industry offers a wealth of opportunities for ambitious entrepreneurs. Whether you choose to deal in tractors, irrigation systems, farm implements, greenhouses, or drones, the key to success lies in understanding market needs, delivering value, and embracing technology. By tapping into the top 5 most profitable agri-equipment business ideas, you can not only achieve financial success, but also empower farmers and contribute to a more sustainable future. Start today and let your journey to wealth and impact begin. If you found these ideas inspiring, remember that every great business starts with a single step. Research, plan, and take action. The world of agri-equipment is waiting for visionaries like you to shape the future of farming.